hello there, folks. Look what I just spotted buried in the sand over here. This little gadget looks pretty fancy. Wonder if it still works after being buried out here. All right, let's see. I think this button turns it on. Technology isn't exactly my strong suit.
Whoa, whoa. Easy there, little fella. I said up, not sideways.
Well, that's not good. I think I lost signal and now it's heading straight for those cliffs. There it is. Stuck right up there on that ledge. Now, how am I going to get up there? Got it. Took some creative climbing, but we're back in business.
Well, folks, that was quite the adventure. Maybe next time I'll read the instruction manual first, if I can find one.